Learning is an individual act. You have to choose to learn.
Does learning have to be a task?
Experiential learning for me is situated learning, so people are engaged with what they're learning and it makes sense for them.
Most important thing, that you have fun, that you are engaged.
It does not necessarily seem like learning.
This creates motivation and therefore is also crucial for learning success.
So imagine a small company, you're an IT person, what can you start easily?
You don't just put an image of a TV.
We use simulations because it's a tool that allows you in a free environment to make mistakes, for you to learn and repeat and get feedback and try again, because you cannot learn if you don't fail, right? You need failure as a motivation to learn. That's how we also get better. What it means is that for some time we have been trying and practicing and doing it repetitive or learning multiple ways. If you crunch that space into more condensed, then you get the extract of the process. And then that allows you to learn a lot of information or acquire more skills in a shorter span of time.
To be surrounded by people interested in the same topic and to exchange ideas with them, to be reminded of the overall goals, it's just very inspirational.
It's all about motivation, it's all about seeing the why. In most cases, education misses out to let people find out why it's important that they learn specific things.
The preconception is experiential learning is playing games, but it's trying to create an emotional imprint of the experience and making them be able to retrieve it on demand.
Having fun in a learning situation will want to make you want to learn more. You take yourself out of your daily situation and you allow yourself to think about, to reflect on the bigger picture.
I hope that we can make a mindset shift in people.
Everyone took a lot with them. So we take more content with us and we reflect on what does it mean for us and how can we work further with it.
I think the biggest difference is the transfer into the daily work.
You are getting into it right away.
Making content for personnel development that people relate to and that people have fun doing is always better.
It's a cool thing to do.
What we're trying to say is, no matter what formal learning you have, make it a learning experience journey, so that it becomes something that empowers people, that really engages them. But the way you have training right now, does it really work?
Let's make an assessment of where you are, where you want to go, and what tools and people you have to get there. Once we understand that, then we can figure out what process or tools you need.